Hi, today we are going to start about applications of Newton's second law of motion. There are so many applications of Newton's second law of motion. The first one is effect of motion of an elevator to the weight of the body inside the elevator or lift. The apparent weight, the weight of the body inside a lift or elevator changes according to the motion of the elevator. Whether the elevator or a lift ascending or descending or moving with the constant velocity. To solve the problem concerning with the Newton's laws of motion, first of all you have to sketch the free body diagram. You have to sketch the free body diagram. Now, what is a free body diagram? A free body diagram, this is a simple diagram used to show all forces acting on isolated body. Free body diagram. Free body diagram. Free body diagram. By definition, this is a simple diagram used to show all forces acting on an isolated body. A simple diagram used to show all forces acting on an isolated body is called a free body diagram. And this free body diagram, it helps to determine the equilibrium force or the net force acting on an object. Now suppose there are several forces acting on an object. So to sketch the free body diagram is a method used to determine the equilibrium force or the net force or the total force acting on such an object. Okay, consider this diagram. Consider this diagram. Where okay, if this is the body of mass M, this is the body of mass M tied by the aid of strings with the tensions, so we can use the free body diagram to show all forces acting on this mass. Okay, if this string is acting at an angle theta about the horizontal, then the tension in the strings is tension T, if this is T, and here it is T1, and this it is T2, and there is a weight of this mass which is given by mg. Okay, when we sketch the free body diagram for the mass, we find that there is a weight mg and the tension T, and when we consider the forces acting at this node, if this is a node, there is tension acting, there is tension T1 and another tension T2 balanced by the total tension, and this tension T2 acting at an angle theta about the horizontal, suppose you are interested to obtain the expression for tension, either tension 1 or tension 2 or simply T. We can use Newton's second law of motion to obtain the expression for tension or whatever according to your interest. Okay, let us be together.